Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how we can read a directory in a Node.js. Well, it is very easy and simple to implement, but before starting, make sure that your main folder has this package.json file. If you don't have this file, then you simply need to write npm in a small letter, of course, npm in it in your terminal, right? And press the enter. After that, you will get this file, right? Now, coming forward to the main part, we first need to import the file system in our Node.js project, that is with the help of fs, right? And the require method. We just write the const fs equals to require, then a bracket, and inside this we write fs. What is this fs? Fs denote the file system. We are importing it from the Node.js with the help of require method and storing it inside this fs variable, right? Now after doing this, we just need to write fs dot, since we are going to read the directory, right? So we just write the read here, read like this, and after that we write the dir for the directory, dir like this, right? After that, put a bracket and write the name of the folder that you want to read. I want to read this my folder. You can see here, right? When you click on it, you will see I'm having three different files, that is file1.txt, file2.txt, and image, right? So I want to see that after reading this particular my folder, this Node.js will give me a result as file1, file2, and the image, right? The detail about all the files. Okay, fine. So what we will write? We will write the name of the folder, that is my folder, right? If you are having some folder at some other path or other folders, you just write the complete path of it, right? Okay, fine. After writing this, we write the callback function, that is function bracket err. After that, we write what? We write if the error is present. In that particular case, you write console dot err, sorry, error means console.error. We use it for debugging the error, right? And bracket err. What is this err? It is basically showing the error part in case any error, right? Now for reading all the information that this readdir had given, for that we just need to go to this function and add one more parameter, that is files, like this, right? And in the else condition, I'm going to give like console.log bracket, and first you need to write directory contains, right? After that, put a comma and write files, like this. Got it? Now when you write this and click Ctrl plus S, after doing this, this file got saved, and now you go to the terminal and write node. Since it is a node project, so we write the node here, and script.js, the main, we have written the code inside this main file, that is script.js. So write script.js and then put the enter. You can see I got the content. So after reading the directory, it is giving me the result like this. You can see it here. The directory contains, and then I'm getting an array here. Inside this array, I'm having file1.txt, file2.txt, and the image jpg, right? So since it is present in the form of array, so you can easily transverse it, right, as per your need. Now if you don't want an array, in that particular case, you can do like, you can just write the plus here. So if you write the plus here and now you save it and run it again, now you're getting it in the text format. You can see like this, right? So there are two different things. It's just the game of this plus, right? uh, so it has converted the whole content with this particular string format, right? So yeah, this is the whole content and whole information about reading directory. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.